Assembly tutorial for high-end electric roller shutter. Step 1. First, attach the packing strip flat along the outer edge of the fabric and press it to adhere. Cut off the excess part of the packing strip. After adhesion, reinforce it with a stapler. After stapling, insert the roller tube into the fabric. Roll up the fabric around the roller tube. Then fasten the packing belt on the back. Do the same as above and attach it flat along the lower edge. Cut off the excess part of the packing belt. After adhesion, reinforce it with a stapler. Now, thread the bottom beam through the fabric. Now, fit the ceiling cover onto the bottom beam. Fit the end plug into the clamping slot of the roller tube. Fit the crown cap onto the motor limiter. Insert the motor into the roller tube. Now, insert the head bracket into the motor. Finally, fit the tail bracket onto the end plug. Assembly is completed.